Hey guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol, and I'm Manisha Gupta, and we're going to be talking about metals because they continue to shine bright, and we've squarely seen them continue to gain at least some chosen ones within the sector itself. I want to start talking about steel first of all because we are trading at an 8-month high, and we have seen a week-on-week gains continue in case of steel prices. One, we do understand that the arc blast, furnace blast have started production. The demand for iron ore has been on the stronger side as well, and many of the steel production has come back with near full capacity in China. That is what the report suggests. Markets also are looking at reopening post the lockdowns. There has been a lot of start and pause. And while the other metals still are looking at on ground demand concerns, not steel, because we have seen stronger numbers come in here. The cyclical drawdown of inventories is yet another reason for the prices to go on. And then when you look at the strong Chinese data, whether it has been about the new home sales, which have seen a rise, or the China property prices, which have continued to be on the higher side, are supportive factors here. Not just China, the US economic data, whether it has been about employment, home sales, consumer price, all of that has been positive. While there are concerns with the strength in US dollar and fears and concerns of further rate hike coming from US, but the fact that there's a big push on infrastructure and construction, and also the major big infrastructure period comes in the second quarter of every year, we are looking at that support also come in. There also is a very supportive report from the World Steel Association, which says that the world steel production in the month of January 2023 has been at 145.3 million tons, which is more than 3% less than what you saw in Jan 2022. So all the numbers really add up, and we are looking at support in case of steel. Watch out for copper prices in the non-ferrous space. We are trading at a 3 work week highs on this one. Across metal, if you have the best of fundamentals anywhere, that clearly is in case of copper, whether it has been about demand or supply concerns with the kind of wage negotiations that are coming in, supply disruptions also in Peru and Chile, and Panama outages with the supplies from there too is a big concern right now. The prices already have gained 2% in this week for copper, and the optimism about China recovery, EVs, lower interest rates in China, US business activity on the firmer side, whether it has been about the inflation numbers, retail sales, all of that coming in positive from US has been an added impetus there. What the markets will do right now is watch out for the US GDP numbers going forward. You also have the weekly jobless claims data coming in. Further direction clearly would come in from here, but the street or the analyst would tell you that buying on dips, if you are looking at it within the metal sector, you should be looking at steel and copper because this is where you have the best of fundamentals right now.